What's wrong with your baby? Don't hurt the baby, Miss. What's wrong with the baby? What's wrong with the baby? Why is he crying? Get the baby. What's wrong with the baby, Miss? Let me see it. Kev. Miss. Miss, don't hurt the baby. Why is the baby crying? What's wrong, baby? What's wrong with your baby? See, damn it, Shane, you got me a crying baby for Christmas. I don't know what's wrong with him. What's wrong with the baby? What's wrong with it?